Welcome back to Guitalele Tutorials. Today we are going to look at the easiest chord of the beginner series, the A minor chord. Hey, by the way, got myself a new set of strings. You may feel a change in sound. A minor chord is just a finger off from A chord, which you should be pretty familiar by now. Notice that I am not using the major word anymore to describe a major chord. Going forward, sometimes I will use major and sometimes not. So implicitly understand that to be the major chord. This is A chord. Now we lift off the first finger and now it's A minor chord. Some people may find that when they lift off the first finger, their third finger touches the third string and muting it. So observe carefully, the magic of major to minor is happening only in this string. So if you are muting that particular string, you won't be able to tell the difference between major and minor. So I am playing A major chord with muted third string. And I played A minor. Now I am playing A major chord with the same muted third string. No difference at all, right? Again I am playing the A minor chord. Again the A major chord. Okay. Now what I am doing is I am making the things proper. Okay. I am placing my fingers in proper position. And now I am playing A major chord once again. And now I am playing A minor chord. See, there is a difference in the mood itself. I am playing once again A major, A minor. Okay. So, when you are doing the chord check for this chord, pay extra attention and don't just be happy with the strum, and definitely remember to pick each note individually. Other than the fourth string, pretty much everything you have already covered in A major chord and should be easy to add to your bucket of chords.